There are a few basics you must have and a few things that just make life a bit easier. First of all, you'll have your coffee machine. If you're in the market looking to buy a coffee machine but you don't have one yet, keep an eye out for our other video on what to look for. But if you're here, you likely already own a machine and you're wanting to know how best to use it. Next, ideally you'll have a grinder if there isn't one built into your machine. Coffee beans start losing their freshness pretty much as soon as they're ground, so grinding on demand is the best way to go. Which brings us to fresh beans. Please, please, please use fresh, good quality beans, ideally from a local roaster. Unfortunately, beans from a supermarket can be stored for a lengthy amount of time, which means that by the time you're making your coffee, they've gone stale and lost all of their oils. But that's a different issue for another video. Next, your tamp and tamp mat will protect your portafilter and bench and relieve a bit of stress on you when you're pushing down to compact the coffee. Some newer models of machines have built-in tamping systems, so if yours has this and it works for you, then great. Depending on what type of coffee machine you have, you'll also need a blind basket or a cleaning disc that sits inside your portafilter. So now we'll get into the equipment that's nice to have in your setup. First and foremost, you'll have a dump box or a knock box. Some people might call this a non-negotiable. Technically, if you don't have one, you can knock it straight into your rubbish bin, but to be honest, that can be quite a pain and get pretty messy easily. And coffee grounds are actually great in your compost. Plants love coffee almost as much as we do. The other two things are a small set of scales and a shot glass with measurements. These are particularly helpful when you're first starting out so that you know exactly how much you're putting in and how much you're getting out. Next, we'll move into the different parts of your coffee machine, how it works, the science behind it, so make sure you check out the next video.